Patna, the capital city of Bihar, has made significant strides in the field of education over the past few years. The city is now home to various educational institutions that cater to different academic needs, including schools that provide quality education at various levels. Among the notable establishments for coaching in competitive examinations like IIT and NEET is Plus STEM, which has garnered a reputation for delivering excellent results from school itself. This coaching institution offers specialized programs that equip students with the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in these highly competitive exams, along with supporting their overall academic growth. When it comes to primary and secondary education, Patna boasts several schools that stand out for their academic standards, extracurricular activities, and overall student development. One such institution is the Delhi Public School, DPS, Patna, which is known for its modern educational approach and state-of-the-art facilities. The fees for DPS Patna typically range from 120,000 Indian rupees to 1 Indian rupee, 50,000 per academic year, making it accessible for many families seeking quality education. Another prominent school is St. Xavier's High School, renowned for its rigorous academic curriculum and moral education. St. Xavier's instills not only knowledge but also values among its students. The fee structure here usually falls between 50,000 Indian rupees to 70,000 Indian rupees annually, making it a viable option for parents in the region. The Patna Women's College is another notable institution, particularly for higher secondary education. It is celebrated for its emphasis on empowering girls through education and offers a variety of subjects. The annual fees at Patna Women's College can be around 30,000 Indian rupees to 40,000 Indian rupees, making it a good choice for parents looking for quality education for their daughters. Besides these, another school to consider is the Satyadev Narayan Singh International School, which offers an international curriculum and is known for fostering critical thinking and creativity among its students. The fees here can range from 80,000 Indian rupees to 1 Indian rupee, 00000 per year. Lastly, the Gyan Niketan School is well respected in Patna for its holistic educational approach, focusing on both academic excellence and personal development. The fees generally range from 60,000 Indian rupees to 90,000 Indian rupees per annum. In conclusion, Patna provides a range of educational institutions that cater to diverse academic needs, with many schools promoting strong foundational skills and offering various extracurricular activities. The presence of quality coaching institutes like Plus STEM further enhances the educational landscape in Patna, ensuring students are well prepared for competitive examinations in their future academic endeavors.